Privacy. Do you believe in it? Do you truly believe in users' right to actually own, control, and even monetize their data? This guy, no, it's not me. He's way cooler than me. This is Mimir, the Norse god of knowledge and wisdom. And he has one simple rule. He never gives his wisdom without something in return. He made Odin himself sacrifice his eye in exchange of knowledge. And here we are, 2000 years later, claiming that data is the new oil and still giving away our data for free. Maybe some of you know or at least suspect that your data is valuable, but let me show how valuable exactly. The size of global marketing research industry alone is going to surpass $130 billion in 2022. And if we add all other industries based on using users' data like digital advertising, online surveys, data mining, we easily go over $600 billion. But if our data is so valuable, why we keep giving it away for free? Is this right? Is this fair? No, it's not right, it's not fair, but it can be changed. And users are already demanding this change. In a survey conducted by Wall Street Journal in March 2019, 74% of the respondents replied that the trade-off between giving their personal data in exchange of free digital services is no longer acceptable, 74%. So what are the problems? For the users, they cannot own and control their own data. They have a loss of privacy. For the businesses, heavy legal regulations and security problems and data accuracy problems. So what is the solution? Give the control of their data back to the users. Mimirium Network is an ecosystem of different tools that allow the users to collect the data they generate in internet or on their mobile devices into their own devices in an encrypted way, and after that, with their permission, they can participate in different kinds of data mining, marketing researches, online surveys, and get paid for that. We are using homomorphic encryption, secure multi-part computations, zero-knowledge proofs, blockchain and smart contracts to ensure that no raw data and no personal data is transmitted in this process. All the companies get is only anonymized aggregated result over the computation of the user's data. So for the users, we are creating a mobile application, browser extensions, and desktop application. For the businesses, campaign manager, web-based campaign manager, from where they can create and control their campaigns. There are several competitors on the market like Data Wallet, DigiMe, Datum Network, and Insight Network, but all of them has one flaw. They allow their users to sell their raw data. What we are doing is we are allowing our users to sell only the result over the computation over their data, which gives them much more privacy and security. Based on our anonymization and aggregation nodes and protocols, we have identified several B2B and B2G services like Mimirium Surveys, like Mimirium Network, Mimirium Health, Mimirium Smart Cities, where we are partnering with Eurostat for implementing smart statistics concept into smart cities projects. Our first product, Mimirium Surveys, is only released, and we have a clear pipeline for the next 2 years, what we are going to release as our services. So what we achieved so far, we have raised 150,000 euros from an angel investor. We were accepted into accelerators, one in USA and one in Singapore. We have launched our first product, and we were accepted into European funded projects. As I said before, we were also accepted as an associated partner at National Statistics Institute of Bulgaria for a pilot project for Eurostat. We were incorporated in 2018. Until now, we have raised 225,000 euros. We have a core team of 2 founders and 2 developers. We have our first proof of concept clients and our first paying clients. We have a very solid team with vast experience, both in management and IT. And we have a lot of experience working for big international companies. We have a very solid board of advisors, including members of National Statistics Institute of Bulgaria. Now, we are seeking 1 million euros in order to continue our journey. Thank you.